Hello guys, this is Mark from Always Sold 123. Welcome to Fort Lauderdale video walk around, very small video walk around for this 2012 Honda Civic. It's a super beautiful, clean, non-ruster car, and most important, this car is what I like is manual transmission. I like Civics with manual transmissions. I like anything very small and funky with a manual transmission. So for me, it's a cool car. I mean, tell you the truth, I don't even see manual transmissions anywhere. Alright, it's about 80 to 90,000 miles on it. We're gonna have a Carfax listed on the website, which is alwayssold123.com. Alright, so let's start from the front, and obviously take a look at the front bumper. It looks good. I don't see any damages, minor faded clear coat right there, maybe you can see. Once again, guys, don't forget, this is a 13-year-old car. Hood is nice. Even the windshield is original from Honda. Look at that. Windshield is good. Let's look at this side. We got a nice tires, guys. Tires like new. All right. You don't need to do anything with the tires. So look at that. Tread is nice. You got a fender, no damages. You got a door, no damages. A minor scratch right there. You got a mirror right there. Another quarter panel and the door. Look at the tires right here. Not new. Somebody installed the new tires here. Okay. Go open this door up. Take a look. The door panel. Beautiful. Window works. Power locks right there. You got original floor mat. You got a dashboard. No cracks in the dashboard. Okay. You got a book right there. Now the passenger seat, very soft. I don't see any smoking holes or like it burnt cigarettes or anything. Does not smell like vehicle was smoked in. So I don't smell any cigarettes at all. All right. So let's put this in. Okay. So here's your cluster and everything. We're gonna go to another side right now. Okay. So this side is beautiful. Let's open up this door. Same thing, door panel is good. Look, everything, no wear and tear. The windows are locked. Okay, so you got this seat. I like these inside, like different, like a material. We have this, like, you know, beautiful lines here. Once again, the vehicle is a non-smoker and non-drinker, by the way. So you don't have to drink when you drive. Let's go on the bottom quick. Look at that. That's the bottom. Look at that, no rust, guys. Okay, so we can ship you the car if you like. If you're somewhere in a bunch of rust areas, listen, we can just ship you this car and you're not gonna have any rust on the car. It's gonna be beautiful. Okay, so you got a back trunk lid is good. No issues on there. I don't see any damages. I don't even see any damage on the rear bumper. Maybe like a little dent or something, I don't know. Take a look, that's the bottom. So clean and dry. Okay, got the back has some kind of aftermarket tinted window. You can easily take it off if you don't like it. Okay, quarter panel, look at that. No dents. Door, another door, and the fender. The tires, here's your scratch right there on the fender, you see? Okay, tires here. Tires are beautiful, tires are nice. We'll go on the bottom on this side. Look at that. Okay, open up this door. Let's see if this is locked also. This is opens. Okay. This window opens up. Let's go here. Okay, so what do we got here? This window works. This window works. This window works. But that window doesn't work for some reason. Okay. Guys, before you buy it, please ask it if we actually fixed it or not. But as of now, that's how I'm gonna advertise it, okay? Because I don't like putting things unknown, but we're gonna figure out what's up with that window for you, obviously. Okay, so you got this driver's seat. Take a look, driver's seat. No, like still soft, all right, and then it's not like falling through. I'm gonna open up the hood quick, and then open up the trunk. So that's how you open the hood and the trunk. If you don't know, take a look. That's the trunk space, all here, and your spare. Okay, close this. We're gonna go in the front. Take a look, the front. Works like a clock. Works like a clock. Guys, friendly disclosure. Once again, I always do that. This vehicle is sold as this. Taxes, fees, registration is not included in price. Shipping $1 to $1.50 a mile. Paperwork can be done remotely through DocuSign if you are out of state. And all the payments can be done through wire transfers, okay? Once again, this vehicle sold as is. That means it's no warranty on it. It's used. And that's about it. Alright, I'm gonna close this window and jump in the car. I'm gonna... Alright, how do you... I'm gonna try to see if we could see the mileage here. I don't know if you see the mileage or not. Okay. Here's your cluster. Here's your odometer, speedometer. I'm gonna lower this a little bit. Music works. Okay. I think it's beautiful. I think I like it. Me personally, I like this car, guys. Now, if you have any questions, like this especially. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us directly. My name is Mark Yev. Thank you so much for watching this video. God bless and bye-bye.